Hi, I'm George Page, and this is Angie, a refugee from an animal shelter and the youngest of my 3 dogs. She's just over a year old. I'm convinced she's the smartest, sweetest dog in the world, except, of course, for my other 2 dogs. Angie doesn't have a real job, but I know she's capable of so much more than I've had time to teach her. Dogs can do amazing things. Some accomplish incredible feats every day of their lives, helping the handicapped, comforting the sick, rescuing people from danger. There seems to be no limit to their abilities or to how much they have to offer us. After meeting the extraordinary canines in this nature program, you will never look at dogs the same way again. In July 1991, while Dirk Tannis slept, a fire began in the kitchen. Spuds, his 5-year-old Dalmatian, pulled Dirk gently on his hand until he awakened. When Dirk was out of danger, Spuds raced back to rescue the family kitten, carrying her outside to safety. On a spring morning, 5-week-old Rachel lay sleeping in her crib. Suddenly, she began choking. Papillon! The family collie, Papillon, ran to Rachel's mother, barking wildly until she followed. He saved my life and I like him. Papillon's quick thinking brought help just in time. On a cool September afternoon, Dale Windsor went fishing with his dog, Pooter, in the mountains of Colorado. He lost his footing, fell into the river, and lay unconscious. Pooter dragged Dale from the rushing waters, then pulled him up the riverbank to safety.